Hi everyone, welcome to OneX Labs. In today's topic, I'm going to explain you about how to use union in Tableau. So, why we have to union the data? In case if you have the data which has been splitted across various tables which has the same structure, in that cases we don't need to go for a join, we can go for a union. For example, here I have connected to an Excel file where I have stock data that is from 2010 to 13 and 2014 is in separate sheets. But both these tables have the same structure. When I say the same structure, it should have the same columns with the corresponding same data types, column names, everything has the same structure. In that cases, we don't need to join these two tables. We can just use the union condition. So just I have to drag this, so you can see a thing called drag table to union. So we click on this. So now we have union to these two files. So now you can see I have combined the data from the first sheet, that is stocks 2010 to 2013 as well as stocks 2014. So both the data has been combined here, and this sheet name and table name, it's for reference, like which data is coming from which sheet and which data is coming from which table. You can hide these columns. We actually don't need this column. This is just for the reference. Now you can see the data is combined between these two sheets. Now you can start creating your visualizations. So you can simply drag and put it on the union, or else click here. If you go for edit union, so here you can see a specific manually you are creating the unions and wildcard. I will tell you what is wildcard. So here you can just drag and drop the files. You can either drag it here or you can open this window and also you can drag and drop it. In case if you want to remove it from the union, you can just remove it. If you want to add to the union, you can add it. Okay, and just give OK. In case you have so many files, if you want to combine so many files which has the same structure, in that cases you can use this wildcard union. In wildcard union, you just need to select the folder where you have all these files. Okay, once you have connected to a single file and then you have specified that particular folder where you have the other files which you want to union together. So you can just go to wildcard union and map that particular source from where you have taken the first file and just include all the files. In that cases, it will include all the files in that particular folder location. Even if you have subfolders which has the files of the same structure, you can include the subfolders also. Okay, so you can give expand search to subfolders or search to the parent folder. By giving this option, all the files will automatically added to the union. So union is one of the important factors. Definitely you will be getting at least 2 questions from unions. You should also know like when you have to go for union and when you have to go for join. As I said, the same structure, that is the term which is more important. You can union your data to combine 2 or more tables by appending the values from one table to another. Okay. So as I said, in the first thing is, if you want to union your data in the Tableau data source, you should have the table which should come from the same connection. Okay, the table should come from the same connection. You cannot union the tables or sheets which is coming from the different connection. Okay, you can also see, I will be posting this link in the description, so you can see the supported data sources which will support union. So you have all the details regarding union which I have already explained. In case if you want to go in detail about the theoretical things, in that case you can just go and look at this link of view, so that you can definitely answer the questions which is coming in the desktop certification. I hope you have learned how to use unions in Tableau. Thanks for watching. Thank you.